Hello embellishers, and welcome back to Embellish Home with Felicia. To my subscribers and visitors, thank you so much for watching another video. In today's video, I am DIYing Dollar Tree modern wall art. If you're interested, just keep watching. So let's jump into this DIY. This beautiful butterfly panel was my inspiration, but I believe we can get this look for a lot less. So I found these metal butterflies at Dollar Tree. I thought these were perfect because they had the modern aesthetic I was looking for. So the first thing I did was just bend them to separate them from the stand. Okay, next I just took some sandpaper and lightly sanded the edges. Now we're just bending the butterfly to get the 3D effect. Okay, next we're going to use our antique gold rubbing buff. You also can use spray paint, but I really like the look of the rubbing buff. I really didn't want it to be smooth. I wanted it to have that patina look, and I'm also going to come back with the gold rubbing buff as you see here as an accent. And of course this step is optional. You always can leave it just as it was with the silver metal patina look, but I was going for more of a gold modern aesthetic. I also picked up some spackle from Dollar Tree. You also can pick up two canvases, one larger and smaller, and as you can see, I'm just taking the spackle and covering the smaller canvas all the way around, including the sides. There's no particular pattern. You actually want it sporadic to give you that textured look that's not homogeneous. I use two old canvases. It's a great way to upcycle. Okay friends, next I'm just using a hair dryer just to speed up the process and let it dry. And this is how the textured smaller canvas looked dried. So next friends, I just took the smaller canvas and put it on top of the larger canvas and traced the outside. Okay friends, so now I took the larger canvas and I took spackle, and where I traced the smaller canvas, the square, I am putting spackle on the outside of that square because the smaller canvas is going to go on the inside. And what you saw me doing earlier, I'm just taking the back of a plastic spoon and actually just dabbing up and down just to give it a different texture from the smaller canvas. Make sure friends to leave enough room to glue down the smaller canvas on the top. I wish I had done that first. It was a little bit tricky trying to get the hot glue on the textured part, but I got it done. You're also going to need 1 pack of chopping mats from the Dollar Tree. Now you're going to take your chopping mats and take a butterfly and just freehand it, or you can use Dollar Tree sell a pack of butterflies that you can use instead of the chopping mats, but the chopping mats gave me the metallic finish that I was looking for. So after they're all traced, we're just going to take scissors and cut them out. Okay friends, so I am taking the butterfly where the body normally is, and we're just going to bend that back and forth until we get a 3D butterfly. If you are enjoying this DIY, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, so we're going to do the same technique we did earlier. We're going to start off with our antique rubbing buff, and after we're done, we're going to give it a little bit of accent with the gold rubbing buff. Okay, the large and small canvases have dried, and I let the larger one sit for 24 hours because the spackle was very thick. Okay friends, so I glued the two canvases off camera, but here I am just taking the butterflies, I am gluing them down on the canvases, and I am just using super glue for the smaller butterflies, and I just played around with the pattern until I was happy with it. Okay friends, this is the final piece. I think it turned out beautiful. I love how the metallic butterflies are contrasting against the white textured art, but I would love to hear what you think. Please let me know in the comments. Please check out my How I DIY a Marble Accent Table. Thank you for watching Embellish Home with Felicia. God bless, and I hope to see you in the next video.